Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP. I'm going to show you today how to make my, we're calling it Greek beef souvlaki style, okay, for a better word. Look, really lots of fun, great flavours. I'm starting off with some yogurt. I've got my little strainer underneath some kitchen towel, okay, chucks, and I'm just going to simply put some garlic, some yogurt straight into there, just like that. And what we're going to do, we're going to leave this for quite a period of time and let all the whey strain out of the garlic, out of the yogurt, okay. So just give that a bit of a squeeze from time to time, and all that whey is going to come out just over a period of time, and we're going to be left with a really nice, firm type of product after this. Alright, so I've left that for a couple of hours, right, and as you can see, the yogurt has really thickened up quite intensely, and just scrape a little bit of that off. Now I'm going to add in here about a tablespoon's worth of some tahini. If you want to know how much yogurt that was around about 400 grams ish of yogurt. So a tablespoon's worth of tahini, right, that can go straight in. And I'm also going to add in 2 small cucumbers which I've grated, okay, and of course I'll let a little bit of the moisture sort of strain out of that as well. Okay, so we're making it's like a tartare type sauce. 2 cloves of crushed garlic, fresh of course for this one, and this is sort of like a tzatziki and sort of a tartare. I'm also going to add in some fresh mint and some fresh dill, which I've just chopped up roughly. If you don't have fresh, you can use some dried, and just give it a bit of time to give those flavours out and let that all get infused. Give all of that a good mixy mix, just like that, and that is going to be perfect for our meat. Now here I've got about 750 grams worth of cubed meat. Right, I've got a few little bits and pieces left over from another recipe, so I'm just going to put that in there. I'm going to use around about 2 small lemons. I've given those a bit of a zest. Okay, that can go in. We're going to add in about 3 to 4 cloves worth of freshly crushed garlic. That can go straight in just like that, okay. And I'm also going to add in a little bit of oregano. That's going in. I'm also going to add in a bit of salt and a bit of pepper, and we're just going to give that a bit of a stir and just let that sit for a little while, okay. Pretty easy sort of stuff, this one. Alright, so I'm going to leave it maybe 20 minutes to half an hour. Now I was going to fire up the smoker, but we had thunderstorms, so I've had to pull out my old electric grill. So we're just simply going to get some wooden skewers on this particular one, and we're just going to skewer the meat on just like that, okay. And the smell already from that marinade that we've made is already flooding the kitchen. So just put a bit of your beef onto the skewers. Try and make them as even as possible. Don't make it too tight, otherwise it will take too long to cook. Alright, all my little skewers are sitting in a row, and as I said, I can't use the barbecue. Thunderstorms, not a good idea. Little bit of salt, and right, that can go straight over the top. I'm just using a little bit of pink Himalayan rock salt there, and I've got my little indoor barbecue going, my little electric barbecue. And all we simply have to do now is put down our beef skewers, and these are not going to take very long at all, okay. Now it depends on how you want your meat cooked. If you want it rare, cook it rare. If you want it medium rare, make it medium rare. If you want it well done, well, yeah, send them to the crematorium, for a better word. Right, just make sure we give those a bit of a turn from time to time so they cook nice and evenly. And as you can see, we've already got some really nice colour happening on this. For an electric barbecue, this thing really does work quite well. So as I said, just give those a little bit of a turn from time to time. They're not going to take very long to cook because those cubes of beef are quite small. And if you're going to use those types of skewers on the barbecue, make sure you soak them in some water previously, otherwise they will catch on fire. Once they're cooked, we can take those aside and get ready to start serving up. Oh, the best part. Alright, so I'm going to put down a couple of tortillas. Just going to heat those through a little bit. You could use pita bread if you want to, whatever bread that you like. I've just got some tortillas. I keep these around all the time, and they're nice and easy to wrap up the skewered meat. Right, so just get a little bit of heat happening on those. If you don't want to do it that way, just throw them in the microwave for 30 seconds or so. Not even that. Right, we're going to lay down some of our tortilla. In this instance, or flatbread, we're going to add some of our tarator styled sauce right straight down the center, just like that. And what we have to do now, simply slide some of that meat off into the middle there, right, just like that. As you can see, these actually cooked quite nicely all the way through, sort of medium rare-ish. Right, put some meat down, and we're going to put some greens with that. We're going to add in some sort of shredded lettuce. If you want some cucumber extra, you could do that. You could add some tomato, but there you go. You got KP's Greek beef souvlaki things. Skewers. Alright, love you, see you, try and make this one at home. They taste amazing and they are really quick and easy to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn just another great recipe that is perfect for summer, although we've got the indoor barbecue here, we can do these in winter, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. I'm off to eat my beef souvlaki Greek style skewer things, and I will catch you next time. Bye.